going on, guys? It's Vinny here, and today we're going to be replacing some light fixtures on a deck and on a porch on the other side. All right, so we have the old one removed here and we have the new one right here. Now, the only other thing is this mounting plate here isn't going to be wide enough for our new fixture here, or I should say long enough. So the customer has purchased a longer one, which we're going to try to install that first. Just have to get out some rusty screws. Miracle. Got it. Thought that was gonna break. The screw's so rusty. Check that out. Wow. All right, we just got the old mounting plate removed and here's our new one. Cleaned everything up. So it should match up with where that hole is. I'm gonna try to center it right over there. So we'll do the center knockout here. So you wanna make sure you got this right where you want it. On there nice. Now we're going to run some caulk around there at the end to seal any gaps. Cool. Yeah. Everything looks good. All right, everything here looks great. Just showed the customer, he's happy with it. He gave me a new bulb that's like a more bright white. Everything's great. So we're going to just run some caulk around the edges here, and then we'll go to the other side of the house because he has one more of these we got to do. All right. And that's what it looks like when we're all finished here. We left the bottom uncaulked in case there is any water that gets in it. Here's the other one. Alright, short wires here, so just gonna have to be kind of careful because we don't got too much extra to work with here. Always want to make sure you're not cutting the actual siding here. Just want to go against that backing plate.
And then we're going to just straighten these out. Go. Maybe up at the top hole here.
Sweet. That looks great. Just gotta make sure this thing's gonna fit because there's tape. So this light fixture is the same as the other one, and I believe, if I remember correctly, I used these center holes. And just to double check, cool, everything matches up. Looks like this one has some cardboard in it. So we're gonna gently take this apart real fast and remove that. Cool. You always want to make sure you're filling in behind this just a little bit because the siding's going to move on you.